welcome back into the potting shed today. I'm going to give them one more chance to prove themselves worth, to prove that it was all false. What am I talking about? Let me show you here. Oh. Dursons, yeah. So, to be honest, to give them a chance, I went back to, because there was someone mentioned on the comments there that that seed compost was John Innes. Now I use John Innes for like plants outside, and I thought, wow, you got a point there. Added gravel in and everything like that. But the picture, to be honest, for the everyday kind of user, which is me, do you know what I mean? The picture on it just didn't look like what you were getting inside it. But to give them, you know what I mean, we're going to try. I'm going to use that compost for these chilies. Now these chilies are the competition chilies that I'm going to grow, set away now, and to see if we can kind of get, because we're doing it far too early for normally we'd do it in February. We're going to try and overwinter these. I'm going to send these out to plug plants and probably about 10 forks, see if we can get chilies in September. So I'm going to use one of the kick it off there with one of the greenhouse sensations there. Now I've lost, well I haven't lost, they've been accommodated, and if you watch the end of the video I'll show you where my smart plugs have gone to. So I got two more of these Tapo smart plugs, and to be honest I quite like these. I've got, and it's the same company but I don't know why they do different, you know, this is the, you know, the TP Link, which is good but it's a bit bulky. But this Tapo one, now this Tapo one for me just connects like that, do you know what I mean? So I'm going to set it up, get that booted up on a timer, get some plug plants up, hopefully get some plug plants up, and then send them, let's just show you, I think I showed this on a live stream, send them out, 10 lucky winners, send them out via the post, and then it's your job to bring them on through the winter by hook or by crook. Yes, I've got all, you know what I mean, you think you've got all the gear, no idea, but I failed miserably with all this gear last year, so this competition is anyone's game, so I'll set this plug up and then we'll get that dust. Well, actually I'll put it in, I've got my little seed tray there, we can all have a look while I open it up and we'll see, because I like the bag. So yes, I'm thinking that was the wrong compost that I used, you know what I mean, and I was grumbling on about Durston. So like I say, we'll give them one more go. So let's hope I can get this done and set up pretty painlessly. Right, found it straight away now, connecting. Oh, there we go, the whole lot's on. Okay then, that was honestly painless. So I've got both Vitapods onto this one adapter going down to there, so I don't need this, that's this side's Vitapod with that controller. This is, and that's how I set it up last time. I've got a 20, now I'll keep it at 20. I might, I'll tell you what, I'll push it up, if I remember how to do it, I'll push it up to, was it, there, and you set it. I'll keep it at 21, can you see? There we go. So, and I'll set this smart plug timer for 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock to come on, these lights to come on, and that's it for, you know what I mean. I love all this nonsense, I really do. I could honestly, every plug in the house I could smarty up and get it working like this, because I just love all this. It's like it's the future. So they're actually a bit dusty, but what the hell, right? Dustins, me laddie, because with added grow boost. Now I don't know what the dickens grow boost is, but let's get you kind of, I'll put it up here somewhere and we'll shine it down. See if we can have a look together what it's like when I open her up for the first time. Right. Can you see there? Right, get this bloody bag up. Oh! To be honest, I'm really hoping that it is good. You know, I mean, anyone can write on amazing compost, but so and if I did buy the wrong thing, then I really should kind of eat my words and get the right stuff. Now I know this is not seed compost, but for whatever we're going to do. Oh, you see, that's all right. Multi-purpose. What do you think? Can you see? That's, to be honest, that's bloody lovely. Do you know what I mean? Got a bit of perlite in, or vermiculite, I'm not sure what, but no, I mean there's little bits in, little bits of wood, but hell, my homemade compost. No, well, we'll just turn me bloody back, look at that. We'll just see what it's like then, eh? Will it be amazing compost when I've got these seeds growing? Oh! Right. So I've got 2 packs of them seeds, and there's 20 seeds in each one. So we'll hopefully get some kind of, right, if I dirty into that top, that'll be bloody hell on. So as I mentioned in the live streams and everything, we are going for the Hungarian blacks, purely because they had 20 seeds in each one and you get a label. So, right, actually I'll give them a little bit of a water. Using wooden ones, lollipop sticks that I found. Right then. Right then, so that's them done there. Wait on, oh. Get them into their little trays. I could have probably sieved that thing, but I'm not being like Peter perfect. I'm just, they'll do. So, oh, there's two lots of there, so there's 40 seeds. Well, basically I'm going to give out 2 each, and even mine, I don't know how many, probably 10 forks. And you'll watch us cut, because you're thinking I'm going to keep the rest myself, and just, I'll cut them, so I've only got 2. And to be honest, I'll not win this. I need hundreds to get like 1 at the end. So it'd be good to find out who's got the skill. So the winner, the MarsHydro, and like I say, it is just quality stuff. Do you know what I mean? There'll be a link down if you want to treat yourself, you know, or your friend, or your partner, to one of these for the Christmas, or actually for the Amazon, you know, the Black Fridays or anything. But it's time now to pick the winner. There was over 300, let's have a look, 370 odd in for it, you know what I mean? So we will do it. What I'll do, I'm just going to kind of up and down, flick you up and down, and then down once more. There you go. Right. The winner is Mr. Alan Healy. I think it's Alan Healy, sir. Well, there you go. Alan, if you send us your email address, or actually go and start, actually, well, I'll get in touch with you and we'll sort that out, and then I'll give you the MarsHydro communication. So Alan, congratulations, lad. Well done. So we are giving Durston's another chance there, and you know what I mean, just to reiterate, you know what I mean, you don't normally put your chilies in. Well, I have never done it this early, and the chances are we'll fail, but there could be one lucky person out there that gets, and I've no idea what the prize could be, but we'll think of something nice. If you can get chilies through the winter. That would be fantastic. If there's all here apart from me, then that would be even bloody worse. So we'll keep coming back. Once I start seeing them pop their heads through, then I'll shout out for some winners, some competition to enter, to get in, to get them, and then we'll take it from there. That would be fantastic. Look after yourselves, take good care. Alexa, switch on Christmas lights.